In today's episode, we're going to talk about your business license. So if you're new to window cleaning or any business in general, the first thing you're going to do is go and get your DBA, you're doing business as. The second thing you're going to do is get your business license. So if you want to be a legitimate business owner and you want to be in business the right way, you need to get your DBA and you need to get a business license. And today I'm going to talk about why that's so important. First of all, you don't want to be working under the table. And I know it's tempting for anybody out there who's starting a business to just work under the table. It's like, hey, I just buy the equipment, watch these videos on windowcleaningdude.com, get the training, and then I'm just going to go out there and start window cleaning, and I'm not going to worry about the business license or the DBA. You don't want to do that. You want to be able to be legitimate in your business. It doesn't cost very much money to get a business license. It's going to make you more legitimate, and it's going to open up a lot more windows and opportunity for you in window cleaning. With a business license, you're going to be able to do commercial jobs, you're going to be able to do large mansions, you're going to be able to get liability insurance, which you're going to need to be able to do commercial jobs and large mansions, and it's also going to allow you to get your business bank account for your tax purposes. You do not want to be messing around with taxes and messing up on that, because when the IRS comes knocking, you want to be able to have everything legitimate and upfront and organized. And the best way to do that is by having a business bank account, and you can't do that without a business license or a DBA. So if you don't have a business license and you get caught operating a business without one, you're going to be put out of business, and you're also going to be having a lot of fines and some legal trouble. You don't want this kind of legal trouble. It's just going to ruin your business. And if you're dependent on this business for your income and for your family, you want to do everything legitimate. You want to do it the right way. You don't want to work under the table. When it comes to getting a commercial account, they're going to demand to see your business license. They're going to want to see your liability insurance. And so you got to have these things. So there's no shortcutting that process. So the best thing is to just decide right now that you're going to go out and you're going to do it the right way. You know, to get a DBA and a business license is not very much money at all. And it's very easy to do. You don't have to jump through any hoops. You just got to go down, fill out the paperwork, pay the fee. Simple as that. You're in business. To get your business license, you probably need to go to your county courthouse. Every town is different. Sometimes you can go to your county clerk's office, but chances are you'll need to go to your county courthouse. If it's not there, they'll be able to direct you where you need to go. But that's where you need to start off to go get your business license. It's something you can usually get the same day, and if not, you can definitely get a temporary business license while your regular business license comes in the mail. Now, the other nice thing about having a business license is then when you go to network with other businesses in your community, you're all legitimate. They don't have any problem recommending you to other businesses or people. But if you're not legitimate, then people are not going to be as likely to want to work with you or recommend you to others, which is a big deal when it comes to doing this kind of work and this kind of business. Networking is very important, especially with customers. So make sure that you have a legitimate business license. When you go to get your business license, you do need to bring your DBA. So if you haven't got your DBA, you're doing business as your business name, you need to go do that first and then bring that with you to the courthouse or wherever the courthouse sends you to get your business license. They're going to want to see that. So that's a must-have. Be sure you have that or you're just wasting your time. And then, of course, when you go to get your business bank account, you also have to have your business license to get that, and then to get your liability insurance, you have to have your business license to get the liability insurance also. So it's just a good idea to do it all the right way so that you don't have any legal issues, that you can get all the jobs that are available out there, because without a business license, you're not going to have the same opportunity as those who do have a business license, and you are going to have more legal problems in the long run. So do it right, set it up right, understand that it's just the cost of doing business. It's not a big fee to begin with. It's easy to do, and you'll be glad that you did. And then you can be a proud business owner, and you can be confident when you go to do all the different aspects of your business, knowing that you've set it up the right way. So as far as the business license is concerned, that's pretty much it. If you've enjoyed this content, please give me the thumbs up. Also, go ahead and subscribe to be a part of the window cleaning community here on my YouTube channel, and to show YouTube you enjoyed this content. Also, ring the notification bell for upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment down below on any questions you may have. Also, feel free to visit windowcleaningdude.com. Everything there is free, and it can teach you how to start your business start to finish and teach you everything you need to know about window cleaning, including how to use the tools, what tools you need, step-by-step process and training videos. Everything's there. Everything's free. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I will see you in the next episode.